Well, this box got a little bit bent here and through here and through there. So I wanted to document that before I open it. Okay, and the inside box is also dented because they didn't put popcorn in there. There's no peanuts at all. So let me pull it out, we'll look at it. Okay, this is the worst packaging I've ever seen. This is all they put in the box. They didn't even go all the way around the inner box. There's no peanuts. The inside box got totally dent up, smashed up here, smashed there, smashed there, smashed up here. So now I'm going to open it and see what the pan looks like. Okay, this is the inside of the box. Look at this. It didn't even come up to the top of the box. That pan is just bouncing around all the way down here. And this is what they used. A child could have wrapped this better. Oh my. Oh boy. I hope the fan is not standing up. The blade and the blade guard were right against the wall of the box. Let me get it out, get it unwrapped. This was the only thing under the pan. This box had nothing underneath this box, and that's all that was under the pan. Okay, here's the pan. I just took it out of the box. Obviously it's bent forward, so it hit something in the back. Assuming those scratches are original. But it's facing the floor. I don't see any real damage yet. Cords under there. They didn't even wrap the cord and tie it up. They just left it flopping around in the breeze there. The damage, I would say this got bent. Let me take this out so we can see it. This looks like it's bent back. This one looks bent back and cockeyed. Well, look at that. Look at that metal. See how it's bent? There. Look at it down to there. See all those bends? Those all, look at this. See these bends? Look at that. Look at this one up here. See that? Look at that. It looks like it fell on the floor. It's so bent up. Look at this. This fan has been damaged in shipping by lousy packing. And I don't understand it. I ain't never seen this kind of work from UPS. Normally their fans are incredible. They're loaded with styrofoam and styrofoam peanuts all around the fan, all around the inner box, under the boxes. None of this crappy stuff, or maybe a couple on top of the box, but that's it. This is just ridiculous. This fan, and I hate to tell this guy this news, destroyed this grill, because this fan was in excellent shape. I hope he insured it. That's all I know is hopefully he insured it. I'll have to call him and let him know once I upload this video. This is the way I usually get these from UPS. This is another UPS package, UPS ground. And you see that? There's no way this box could get crushed. I didn't even hesitate to open it. See? No crushes at all. And the inner box is well taken care of, supported, and there's stuff underneath. Sometimes they put some on top. In this case, they didn't, but that's okay because they put it in this box. And that's the way fans are supposed to be shipped. So, anyway, this is the inside, you see, all over the top, plus heavy bubble wrap all around the device. So here's the letter that's taped to the grill, and the fan is down in that other box. So they actually used 3 boxes. They put the grill and the blade on top, as I suggest in my website, and they set it inside of that box, and you can see all the styrofoam down there. Now some of that was around this box, but you see there was a coating across the bottom, well padded. That's the way it's supposed to be done.